What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am waiting on a couple brackets for the upper links on the triangulated 4-link. So I'm going to start tackling getting the tank and the compressor and everything mounted up. If I had the plasma table up and running, this would be very easy, but it's not yet. I kind of ran into some issues with the bearing mounts, meaning I didn't adjust them right. So I got to go back to that process, square it all back up again, try to get them adjusted so it slides a little better. It does slide, just has a little resistance to it, and I don't want that. I want it to be able to, it's supposed to slide free. So we got to do that. But we're going to get into mounting the tank, the compressors, the valve, the manifold. Let's see what we come up with. There's not a whole lot of room back here. If I had two small tanks, we could mount them on each side and leave the inside for the compressors and stuff, but this is what we got. This is what's going on. So we're gonna make it work. Watch and find out.
So you dance in light, heavy smoke. Have you fixed that treasured heart that's all broke? Here is a tape, follow me, give this a meaning. Do you wanna feel the rush when somebody is listening? Heaven is getting closer. This will be the end of trees and as we know.
All right, we have axle tabs. I got them cut by a local metal company just because I needed them like yesterday. It'd be a lot easier if I had the table set up, I gotta say. But this process for me, never doing this before with a plasma table, it's gonna take a little for me to get it down right, to dial everything in. So until I get that done, truck needs to keep moving, so got tabs. But I got compressor mounts made. We're gonna put the compressor mounts right like that. And the tank, since I can't fit the tank between the frame rail because it's just a longer tank, we could either get smaller tanks to put in between there, like maybe two smaller ones to 2.5 gallon, 3 gallon tanks to fit in between there, or we put it in the bed. I'm trying to stay away from actually bolting it in the bed, so what I came up with is to actually put it in between the frame rails here, so it'll sit right here, and I'll make the brackets for it And once we drop the bed down onto the frame, then I can bolt the tank on it, and then we can just hook everything up from there. It kind of makes it crappy because, you know, if you ever pull the bed off, you got to pull the tank and shit back out, but you know what, it is what it is. So tanks can always be changed later at a later date. If we want to go back through and put smaller tanks in, we will, but right now this is what I'm going to do. It is what it is. At some point the bed's going to get sheeted in anyway, so we'll just address that situation later. So right now the goal is to get the truck back down on the ground, be able to get it moving, get it out of here, and then we bring the next one in. So let's get started on getting everything put on the frame, getting the upper forelinks. Since we have the axle tabs, we can get the upper links put on now. So let's get at it.